Okay, so I'm going to be putting in pipe cleaner curls. So first I'm going to show you how to twist the pipe cleaner. I already did this entire bag, but I left one so that I can show you. So the fastest way is to point your finger at the top, line up the bottom, pinch it, and then just twist your finger. And leave a little loop at the top. So I'm just going to show you how to do one. And we'll go from there. So I'm going to take 6 to 8 locks for each section, and then I'm just going to go down to the bottom, wrap the end around, and just roll up. Once I get to the top, I'm going to grab the end, loop it through, and just squeeze it. That's it. So I like to leave them kind of up like this. I'm going to show you one more time. Bring the hair to the end, secure it on. Actually, we're going to go a little lower. And roll it up. And then loop it through and pinch. That's it. So I'm going to do this for my entire head. It's already late, so I'm not going to show you the rest today, but tomorrow I'm going to show you the takedown. Okay, bye. Okay, so it is the next day and we are back. So I have on this bandana because I went to the gym this morning and I didn't want to just have all these different colored pipe cleaners showing, so I just put on this bandana, and it's like Rosie the Riveter vibes, you know? That's what it feels like. So let's get into the takedown of these pipe cleaner curls. So this took a really long time to put in. I must have been doing these for about 2 hours last night, so they're definitely time consuming. Keep that in mind if you're going to do these curls, but I'm really hoping that they turn out well. Here's what they look like. I decided to just kind of put them into little circles just to make it a little easier to sleep on. It wasn't too bad to sleep on, so yeah, let's take them down. Okay, so I took all of the pipe cleaners out and now I'm gonna go in and separate these curls. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is how my hair looks with everything separated. How cute is this? Like, how full. This is definitely looking like a curly afro. I love it. There are still some curls that I could probably separate a bit more, because when you separate it, that's when you get the volume. So if you do this and you're wondering why it doesn't look voluminous, you probably have some pieces that are still coiled together and not separated. Okay, but I'm gonna try and style this a little bit. As much as I love the fro look, let's see what else we can do. What do you guys think of this? This is like a side bang, side part type of vibe. This is cute too. So if you have microlocs that are my length and you do this, there are still ways to style it. So yeah, just grab a couple of bobby pins, put them in the side, and that's literally it. Because it's so curly and voluminous, you don't really have to do much for it to look good. So get this ringlet. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this pipe cleaner curls on Locs video. My hair is getting longer and I just love curling my hair. I find it so much fun. At a certain point, straight locks just gets so boring. The only time that I really enjoy straighter locks is when I've just done a fresh retie and I want to see how long my hair is. So that's about it. Other than that, I love putting in some curls. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to follow me on Instagram to see some like bonus content, and that's about it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to come back quickly and show you this lock style. Ponytails, double ponytails with a bang. How cute. Okay, that's it now. Bye.